Namaste. Om Sadashivasamārambhāṃ Shankarācārya-madhyamāṃ Asmadācārya-paryantāṃ Vande Guru-paraṁparāṃ Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Aruna Prashna began with discussions about water and then time, apa and kala. In this part, it raises a number of questions and then provides a link between water and time. What is the relationship between water or matter and time? So, this part begins with a set of several questions. क्वेदमभ्रन्निविशते क्वायगं संवत्सरो मितः क्वाहः क्वेयं देवरात्रि क्वमासा ऋतवश्रिताः idam abram kwa nivishate. Where does this cloud reside? On what is the cloud sitting? What is supporting the clouds in the sky? Ayam samvatsaraha kwa. Where exactly is this samvatsara? Mithaha, ahaha and ratri. So day and night, which are a pair, mithaha, kwa, where are they? Right? Hey Deva, where is this day night pair? Kwa masaha, where are the months? Kwa rutavaha, where are the rutus? Where are they supported? Where do they reside? There are further questions. Ardhamasa muhurtaha nimeshastrutibhis saha kvema apo nivishante yadito yanti samprati. Half months are pakshas, ardhamasas. Where are they? Where are the muhurtas? A muhurta is a unit of time corresponding to 48 minutes. Nimeshaha and strutihi. These are extremely minute divisions of time. Nimesha corresponds to about 90 milliseconds and Truti corresponds to about 30 microseconds. So the smallest to the largest, from Samvatsara all the way down to a Truti, where are they from? Ima apo kva nivishante. Where do these waters reside? Or where does this matter come from? You can interpret it as though. And itaha, yat itaha samprati yanti. From here, where do they go? Where do all the clouds go? Where does the water go? Where does the samvatsara go? Where do they reside and where do they go? These are the questions. Now the answers begin. Kala apsu nivishante आपस्सूर्ये समाहिताः अभ्राण्यपः प्रपद्यन्ते विद्युत्सूर्ये समाहिता. कालाः अप्सु निविशन्ते. Times reside in waters. So it is essentially saying that time is a phenomenon derived from water or in general matter. We had discussed this in the very beginning, whether apa is to be interpreted as just H2O water or matter in general, all fluid matter or all matter in general. So if you think of time as something that helps us notice or measure the changes in this world, all the changes are happening in matter. So without matter, without this material world, time itself has no meaning or no basis. So this statement is very significant. It is saying that time resides in matter. And where do these apa, the waters, come from? They come from Surya. They are samahita. They are embedded in Surya. So in a sense, it is saying all of the matter, all of the water, everything in this world is derived from Surya himself. And abhrani apah prapadyante. The clouds, right, they obtain water from the sun. So it says that these clouds are the ones that obtain the water and bring it to us in the form of rain. And vidyut, surya samahita, the lightning, which is a form of energy, that is again derived from Surya himself. Anavarne ime bhumi yanchasau charodasi किग्गस्विदत्रान्तरा bhutam yene me vidhrute ubhe. Ime bhumi, this earth is anavarna. So varna means color, avarna is colorless, anavarna is not colorless. So it means it is colorful. This colorful earth and this sky together, they are called rodasi. So they are these rodasi, the pair of earth and sky or earth and heaven. What is in between them? Antarabhutam. What is kim antarabhutam? Kim swit antarabhutam. So what is in between the earth and the sky? And these two, ime, ubhe, vidrute, who is holding them? So who is bearing them, or who is supporting the earth and the sky? And the answer is Vishnuna vidrute bhumi iti vatsasya vedana. This is, the world is supported by Vishnu himself. Vishnu is the one who is holding or supporting this earth. And how do we say that? There is a citation. It says, this is the opinion of Vatsa Rishi. There is some Rishi by the name Vatsa, which is his Vedana. He is the one who has said this, that Vishnu is the one supporting this earth and heaven and sky and everything. And what kind of earth and so on? Iravati dhenumatihi bhutam suyavasini manushe dashasye vyashtabnadrodasi vishnavete dadartha prutivi mabito mayukhaihi. So this earth is, this Rodasi is endowed with Iravati. So it has food bearing plants, Dhenumati, cows and other animals, and Suyavasini, it gives us a lot of material resources for our pleasure, for the benefit of Manushe, for the benefit of mankind, and Dashasya, it gives us nourishment to all of the people. And hey Vishnu, you are the one supporting these two, Yashtabna Drodasi Vishnavete, and you are holding the earth from all sides, Abhitaha, right? Prithivim Abhitaha Mayukaihi Dadartha. So you are actually holding or supporting the earth from all sides with your Mayukas, that is rays or radiation. So you are not holding it with your physically with your hand or something, but you are supporting it from all sides with your rays, it says. Kim tad Vishnor ka diptih kim parayanam eko yadharayad devaha rejati rodasi ubhe. So from where does Vishnu get his ability to do all of this? So the one who is holding this shining earth and the sky all by himself, ekaha yat dharayate, the one who is holding all of it by himself, Vishnu Deva, Vishnoha balam kim, what is the source of his strength, right? What is his effect? Ka deeptihi, and kim parayanam, what is his movement, what is his gati, where does he go? So these are further questions, and they are answered in the next part. Vatad Vishnor bala bahuho aksharad deeptirujyate tripadad dharayad devaha yadvishnore kamuttamam agnayo vayavaschaiva etadasya parayanam. So it is said that Vishnu's strength is derived from Vata or Prana. This Prana Shakti is the one that gives strength to Vishnu, and his brilliance or his effects are derived from Akshara Brahma himself. The creator Akshara Brahma himself is the source of his Deepti, and Prana is the source of his strength. And he has held this entire world with his three steps. Tripadat Dharayat Devaha. So this is also there famously in the well-known Purusha Sukta, right? Pados Yavishva Bhutani Tripadasyamrutan Divi So with these 3 steps he covered the earth and the sky and the heaven and everything. So this is the most important form of Vishnu. Yat Vishnoha Uttamam Ekam. So this is the most important form of Vishnu himself. And his Parayanam, his movement, is derived from Agnayaha and Vayavaha, from Agnis and Vayus. And in further parts of Aruna Prashna, there is going to be further elaboration of Agni and Vayu Tattvas.